Hello, smart people. So let's fix this problem. We have to calculate the oxidation state or number in the following compounds. The first one we have is this compound, which is what we call the potassium permanganate. We have this particular one to be potassium dichromate. In some cases, you can call it potassium dichromate 7. I don't know, depending on how you want to call it, but I just like calling it potassium dichromate, and this one is potassium permanganate. So we are to find this manganese in this, the oxidation state of this, or the oxidation number, and also for this chromium. So you can fix this. Let's work on this. What are we supposed to do first? The first thing first is to make sure that you add up all these compounds we have here. Each of the elements, add them, K plus Mn. In some cases, since you're looking for this, some persons may just represent that with X. But let's just leave it like that. So plus, we have this oxygen with 4 atoms. So what are we supposed to do? The next thing we need to do is to equate this to be 0. And we equate this to 0, we have to fix, we've given the oxidation number of potassium to be 1, that of oxygen is -2. So we just have plus 1 here, plus this manganese, plus, in this case, we have -2 multiplied by 4. Because we have the oxidation number of oxygen to be -2, and if you multiply that by this 4, you have that to be -8. So here we have plus 1 plus Mn. Here, if you multiply, minus plus is minus. 2 times 4 is 8 equal to 0. If you collect like terms, 1 minus 8 will give -7. So we have that this manganese -7 will equal to 0. To get the oxidation number of manganese, you take this -7 across, or you add both sides, or 7 plus 7 to both sides of the equation. So when you do that, you have this manganese to be equal to +7. Therefore, the oxidation number of manganese is +7. So put the solution for this in the comment section. And I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new video, you get notification. And we're going to be seeing in the next video. Take care of yourself. Peace.